Vibes Cartel no same time up, you know.
A few moments later.
Vibes Cartel realize that the youth they must say Masicka and the youth they must say Alkaline. Them two artists there.
A few moments later.
Masicka brave, you know, when him just found out me. When him a just a found out him brave. And that him get known for say him one of the bravest artists, you know. But at the time, people are look over Alkaline and if you realize Alkaline are the bravest.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
And I don't know one Media Fox money up, you know. Yeah, man. So we see. Nico fire run out attack a bag of things. But people, make we hear what go on.
A Masicka cause Cartel for come out in underpants and wind up. A Masicka effect. Cartel
Brother, that sound shaky, dog. Correct that, brother. So you tell me say a Masicka make Cartel fall out and do that. That not sound right, dog. Masicka a girl or is a man. That sound shaky, brother. You see me, know you run with the Masicka thing, but brother, you run with this Masicka thing till you know what you say, dog. I tell you that.
realize a Masicka response to the whole media and him have this summer. Worse with the slip and slide song and bossy. I'm gonna prove something to you. One just listen to me and say. Out of all of Vibes Cartel ears in a music, even when him in prime, Vibes Cartel job whole heap of girl song. And Vibes Cartel never yet turn on him camera and when within underpants and wind up himself and do something fruity and do something shaky. No time in his career. So
But brother, we're not supposed to surprise. Brother, we don't know Cartel. Remember say Cartel, I first artist we see come with teacher's pet, a bag of girl and them little thing there, brother. Me telling you already, brother. If the man could have get the chance there over Hollywood or one of them big producer or some show thing, man do not do music, brother. Them man they are acting at them thing that them man they want to do, bro. You see me? Yeah, man. The man they love them thing, the man they love camera, everything, bro. You see me? Right now, social media get so powerful. Man, I try to do something to try to gain their attention, brother. You see me? I just that. And the people them give him attention where I want. You see me? And there's more to forward, you know, brother, because nothing more than two there. You see me? Everybody just around with the internet thing right now.
why when Vibes Cartel is the king of dancehall, I get the most money, have the biggest audience when him go and show them, sell out him show them, but still him have to do something like that to promote him soca song when I promote. When him have the money when him could have pay all vloggers, he can pay Tef, he can pay Motor Massey, he can pay Fame Edgers, he can pay Rick Star, he can pay every YouTube vlogger to help promote him song. And him also can pay off every radio station. Him literally have the money can do everything and do a wicked marketing on the song if I am song him a promote. But then him song him a promote. And the attention with Masicka having a dancehall and him still for himself. Say Masicka have dancehall right now. And him just make a
Yo, I don't know where wanna get this Masicka of dancehall right now, brother. I don't know where wanna get that from, bro. I wanna live in a one different world, brother. One different world than live in a, bro. I don't know, you come like up a Masicka yard, you alone, you there. You see me? Masicka of dancehall. You sick in your brain, bro. Man have some hot song. I don't know what you talk about, brother. I tell them, how do you talk to my brethren, no people, I tell them, say, look like a two dancehall. One in a Jamaica, and you have an international one. I don't know. And you have one, and you have a three. You have one up a Masicka yard. So you have one dancehall up a Masicka yard. You have one at Jamaica, and you have one internationally. Because sometimes when I make some talk, bro, I don't know what I talk about, brother.
desperate move. Vibes Cartel no same time up, you know. Vibes Cartel, I want to understand what I try to say, you know. Vibes Cartel realize that the youth, they must say Masicka. And the youth, they must say Alkaline. And them two artists there. And him decide to say, he will make a desperate move for attention. A desperate move. Because me see it as a desperate move. Enough are going to believe me, enough not going to believe. But look into him and say, when him in a...
Bro, a long time Cartel I do this, brother. I know nothing new, dog. You have to understand, say, bro, them man they will do anything for clout and conversation for them keep on calling him name. Him been a do it, brother. You see me? It's just that now things are get worse. And we're going to see more worse than this. You see me? May I tell you that, brother? We're going to see more worse than this, dog. You see it? Yeah, man. Because I just say, man, the man just love phone and camera and all them little things, brother. You know, cut out time, brother. The man is an influencer. Like, the man have an influencer syndrome, bro. You understand? That's something he can't help himself. You see it? He can't help himself. He love when people call him name, brother. You see me? Yeah, man. And that's the influencer syndrome. Yeah. Love when people say we do anything for people call him name. That's one of them things there.
Prime, he never yet do that. So why when him at the top of the game now, and him at the head for everything, I'm at the king, him decide to do that. Him realize him chone. No, I don't really feel him chone. I tell you something, man. I'm not using no brain, man. Just think what me just said.
Masicka brave, you know, when him just fouled out me. When him just fouled out him, brave. And that him get known for saying him one of the bravest artists, you know. But at the time, people are look over Alkaline and if you realize Alkaline are the bravest. You get me, cause what you style, I say Masicka, but I touch road and I say, yo, I'm burn out every artist. Every artist I get it, brother. I don't want to have him name, be a name him a call, Alkaline name him a call. And watch ya, or one man name him not call the whole time. And a cartel. Him a burn out and I kill him a try for war everybody. And at the same time I big up cartel and I say, yo, him a go kill everybody like Addy.
Yeah, because them time them a look cartel strength. Him a try to get the Gaza people them. You understand? I just him that. I put more now. So him been around with the cartel thing. Him been a say from him there road. I think when him got sting, one of the time I say, yo, a cartel alone have got left jail and come war him. But them time they don't know the man hungry, bro. I'm hungry for the spotlight. Anybody forward, anything forward, film name I call, all them little thing there, brother. You see me? So I just one of them thing there. You see it?
And at the same time, what a style. Let me show you why I have to rate Alkaline. Alkaline brave, brother. Alkaline no kill everybody and go around teacher and Alkaline go for teacher himself. From day one, Alkaline say, yo, imagine your pile, imagine your pile Messi. He was a little rookie baller. Go pile a big baller like Messi. You know your thing I got turn up. And you know what the man got, you know the film thing I got lily down. So from day one, the man try to show you say, what? At the head of the snake him I go for. Target. Right, that's so. You hear me tell you?
That's what I tell people, say. When Masicka never get the break yet. Masicka them time, the man they just a work with the little cloud thing, brother. Him a try clash this a artist, I call up this a artist, a name. Him want war with everybody. Can be hungry them time there. You see me? Him want the spotlight and everything. Few years ago, every time him go live, him usually go live every day. You see me? They on live and I talk a bugger thing, bugger trash more while. May I tell you that? Yeah, man. So, he's a brother where him love your attention too. But now things change. You see me? Things change, you know. You see it, cause when him look up to Alka, that's why you see him look scarce, you know. Masicka was not that person, you know. Man usually go up on Instagram live hard. And him and him bridging them and everything. But if you realize now, look like him start to use Alka blueprint. You see me? But you know that going too late to only work for Alka. You see me? Right now, I just a bag of talking. Yeah. Then saying song around summer, this and that. Fine, let's see. Maybe I just summer alone to go run and then that's it. You see me? You know if music not too last long like that. You see it? Cause remember, you know, when the host asks Masicka say, yo, when the people might get the clash with him and Alkaline, him stay silent, cool up. And being the man have to say that pass, and then you hear him get up. Yo, see there? You hear the king talk, Brother, I'm not ready yet. You see it?
A Sif one of the same when him come a Sif on the war afraid to call teacher name. To the Josh you have to come out first and come call teacher name. And they say no him come out brave. Bro God, if I just check it in, man, just check it, man. Just I forget Alkaline it, brother. Cause Masicka.
Brother, Masicka not ready, brother. You understand? Masicka only run off fire when you're not run off fire. You see me? It's like, I always tell people, Masicka is like, you know, when you pass on a yard, zine, and you see a dog a bark. You see me? Bark when you walk past. You see, as you walk, go up to the gate, the dog go run at the back. Masicka like that. You understand? It's like him prefer warrior, but they not pay him no mind. Seem like when Alka man, but Alka no do him nothing in him, Alka not nothing but trees a brother way. Him always want in at the talk about. You see me? So I call Alkaline name and bag a thing, but him not rate Alkaline, and I live in a, him a go say, him not want to admit the fact say him Ray cartel and this and that and Ray. You understand? Yeah, but when you look, him been the one around the Gaza thing. Cause every stage him go up and every this a cartel. You see me? But him not ready yet, Masicka not ready yet, brother. You see it? Because everybody thinks him with a rub out family, but it proved them wrong. You see it? Yeah, man.
He's not so brave up to this day, not really brave. Him brave to a level, yes. But Alkaline not that the bravest. Alkaline afraid of no boy in the dance and nobody. None, not one. You see me I say? I never just shove up on the foot, you know. And nobody no one call the man him and shove up them foot, you know, and make the thing seem straight like. Even if we're not doing a subliminal. Make the subliminals go make it look straight like it a direct straight to him then. No?
Yeah, man, them not gonna do that, man. Them not gonna do that. You see me? Them not gonna do that. Cause me I tell you, them afraid of him. Cause remember, you know, the whole of them he get him, you know. So imagine if this a youth here, make them look away. They don't want that, brother. Me I tell you, one of the worst thing. By same microwave thing them use. Anybody want this popcorn or something, they just use microwave song with Alkaline and this him. Enough of them artists don't want that smoke there. You see me? You know when Alkaline ready for this and everything. You know that go. Them go use Alkaline for this, yo. You see it when you and them fall out. You see it?
Subliminal sound like a 2-3 man not talk more time. We can't know who not talk. So I couldn't subliminal say, just say a blind boy. I say boy we contact or something. I want to say if we not get robbed out. Quick and fast. Instant. Masicka brave, you know, when him just fouled out me. When him just fouled out him brave. That him get known for say him one of the bravest artists, you know. But at the time, people look over Alkaline and if you realize Alkaline are the bravest. You get me, cause watch your style, yeah.
Well, that's one of them things there, people. At the end of the day, Masicka do him thing, Alkaline do him thing. Are those 2-level artists. Them just a hype up Masicka. You see me? But him nah raise the bar. Masicka nah raise the bar. Masicka still just dip on a little cruising thing. Him nah really do nothing. You see me? The impact not really dead there when it comes to outside of Jamaica. You see it? Yeah, when him there, yeah, them hype him up. Have hot song. And then once the season died down, that song they gone. You understand? Yeah, so them say my artist thing based on songs. I'm dropping most hits 5-6 years now. But you know see man can't go up on a tour, brother. If your man will have so much hits, him supposed to get the most bookings. But him not really get no bookings, dog. You see me? The man can't ever go up on a official tour and all of them little thing there. You see it? That's some joke thing I go on. You see me? Joke thing, people. I tell you that. But I just one of them thing there. You see it? Cause you can't really make something there. You see me? But people, you don't know a thing set, you know. Yeah man, you don't know a thing set. But see a brother run out. I go chat about a thing. I talk about Alkaline and Mother and yo, them man yeah. But people, that video where I go play, it shows you say yo, Alkaline raising the bar, the success that everything what the youth are doing at the game. It literally like you know some see video and me I watch it people. And you can see say the bad mind, the hate, me I tell you people. You see me? The youth are like him a mad out. Him a try find everything, you know, to make Alkaline look bad. But you can just see bad mind. Me I tell you no, una go crash out. So Alkaline tell say you not see nothing yet, you know. Una really not see nothing yet. But people, see video yeah. Yeah man. So after I watch the video, just tell me in a comment. Man I crash out. I tell you man I'm mad out. Alkaline success I mad them out. You see me? Yeah man, me know more while people I say Yo, Media Fox, boy, highlight. But we have to know, say, look here. Sometimes a promotion and sometimes you have to see people mad out over youth success. You understand? Mad out. Remember them artists now do nothing, you know. Alkaline. Yeah, man. But listen what that brother here say.
The strength for blood. Alkaline use more the strength for blood clot, build himself and feel like 7 times. You can't stop Vibes Cartel and Movado for blood clot link. You can't stop Movado and Cartel from link. Eh? And that make you vex too, you know. I wish one know about blood clot Jamil. When I look a fake thing when that try to fight Gaza with. I love chat, yeah man. I want to ask I wish one know about Jamil. I told Jamil I want blood clot talk. One know about the man set up the youth for go against Tammy Lee and the whole and a 200 blood clot run and draw level scared. One wicked bumbo clot. But the whole of them dead to me. The whole of them dead to me. Yeah, what you feel like say? You know the linkage between blood clot, Movado and Cartel. You know the issue them two man they say boy. Eh? Boy you come a vex. And that make your career can't go nowhere. Bratonians, cause suck on the mother. Lick on the mother man. You see it? Yeah. Before the fall the way I suck out on the mother. Yeah man. So yeah, GN note everybody in it. You move like Cartel, you know. You move like say you're in it. But you have to have some special skills in them area to do that. Brata boy. Listen to me. G go them are not nice them when your blood clot this. You see it? You're paranoid too much. You're antisocial too much. You copy Cartel too much. And you are Movado over Jamil. Jamil's story is a very mysterious story, you know. Cause one want to fuck up the youth. And I feel like say I'm most like the bad man this one. Out of your Movado. Anyway, yeah, pre-Movado cast through. Movado go up on stage and say Free Vibes Cartel. After them time they get in their feelings in a body wash boy. Cause you try to get Movado now against. But to you know the man them have a look at history and thing. Yeah, try. If you go text side, you feel like you could have play a chess game upon them man there. Eh? Boy, you come with key man and your key your bomb. Oi, listen. You're the key for all Bratonians, not dancehall. You need to go hot up back your career. Your career, microwave out now. Like how these singings popcorn in a buffet. Your career, look, a matter of fact, it lukewarm. Like you wanna put on a pot of water and just like the stove. Lukewarm. The fire not on die too long. Get back some 2016 blood clot song. Go back in your lab. You drop your links them too much. You this streak or you this not nice. But not wise. Go find your bumbo clock or you never laugh with the bumbo. Go war Masicka. You say you're bad. Go war Masicka. And this is just part 3. Me forward again with part 4. Go war Masicka. Yeah man. Yeah, you feel like say yeah, boy, I get up at your word for Movado. And so, Movado march out for you. I make you know start big guns. I that my friend them for you. But make you never blood clad answer. You throw a word too much. But you go and see. When your sister manage your career, bro, you're fucking paranoid. That's why. When I see why the Brata fans them like you say no come at about sold out. You give away your ticket them pussy. Because you have some loyal Bratonians over there saying no. But here we go on. You have somebody decide say no sir for real. Deep down in their mind they must say no sir. Alkaline. I walk on a fuckery the album where you drop. Fuckery. You see it, you run out of style and craft. Me I give a leave way for hot up back your career. Go war blood clot Masicka. Cause Masicka run down. In a what day you run come drop album. Masicka use one. Listen, me not beg no friend from Shingoat. But do Shingoat enough. A time for him get him credit now. Masicka do one song. Bossy blood clot, everything lock off. Different from Vibes Cartel. Everything lock off. And you forward now. When girl good, that good. When girl good, them good. And Masicka was say, after she side, you don't get no time to play a bumbo clot road. You know say you get out one. You know say your views them lame. Bratonians, come on, be honest right here. You know say your views them lame. You know say your views them not moving. Them not go nowhere. Your song them not play, bro. You see it? Yeah, you need to go back in your lab. You need to blood clot big back some things so I'm not nice on them man there. And some man where you this. Some youth from school days where you sell out and go switch pan. You no bum buckler, you want to dirty heart you, me feel like a you over Jamil. Me not lie. Cause Vada dirty, you know, cause he might dirty too, you know, but me not think he might so all that dirty. Cause Vada no bust the body, no chase cross, no kibaki, them man they spit pan them man, that's like a suck your dancer fan dead. That them man they do. So you see it? So your energy, your chest move them way that making a dancehall feel. That's why your career just drop buff. Cause move on and a bomb buckler, that move on and knows a cartel and the man. Me and cartel put on this history, bigger blood clot with the politician place there again, and go put on a bag of blood clot, fake speech and fake laugh and fake greet. That's it. Worldwide the beef they go. Sting after sting. You see me? So you can't break that. What kind of history you create? First thing, blind boy. First thing. You do your thing is, you do your little subliminal style against cartel and we did there. You see it? And me see you go over 6 park, go dirty up over there a little bit and know say mad. Listen man, go blood clot why. Go worry, you got the potential, nothing going for your career. Think when me I tell you bro, go in a studio and just decide say, never bother pitch pan cartel cause things might worse of you. Movado did I give the energy, you never give Movado the energy. And through all of that, you know look a fake thing, Movado chicken, you know? Movado chicken, and through all of that now, your energy just drop buff. You will be a blood clot Jamil Alkaline. I feel like a you. Me feel like a you. Me feel like a you. And Vado remember Kibaki cause yeah dirty in a bro. But me feel like a Alkaline, I feel like a bomb buckler Alkaline. I not lie and go on, I'm out again. Finna. Alkaline use Movado strength for blood clot, build himself and feel like 7 times